Hi everyone, this is Teacher Des, and we will continue our TOEIC reading practice test. We are still on the first part of TOEIC reading test, and in this part, you are going to complete the sentence. For this video, you will answer 5 questions. Please answer 131 until 135. You can pause the video if you need more time. Well, I hope that you are done because this time we will check your answers. 131. Due to the associated success in blank the planning and execution of the newly developed software system, he will likely be promoted. A. Organize, B. Organized, C. Organization, and D. Organizing. The missing word for this sentence is letter D. Organizing. Due to the associated success in organizing the planning and execution of the newly developed software system, he will likely be promoted. The word organizing means the act of arranging in a desired pattern or structure. Letter A. Organize, letter B. Organized, and C. Organizations are all wrong. The word organization, this is a noun, and this means a group of people who work together. 132. I think that the photocopier was broken during shipping because the packaging that the company used was not blank. A. Appropriate, B. Likely, C. Intended, and D. Expected. This sentence needs an adjective, and the 4 choices here are all adjective. But the right adjective for this sentence is letter A. Appropriate. I think that the photocopier was broken during the shipping because the packaging that the company used was not appropriate. This word means suitable for a particular person, condition, occasion, or place, or fitting. Letter B. Likely is wrong. This word means believable or feasible. Letter C. Intended. This word means deliberate or intentional. And D. Expected. This word means considered likely or probable to happen or arrive. So again, the answer on 132 is letter A. Appropriate. 133. The sales director is likely to be replaced this January after a relatively poor blank in the past few years. A. Performing, B. Performance, C. Perform, and D. Performed. The missing word for this sentence is letter B. Performance. This word means the act of performing or the state of being performed. The sales director is likely to be replaced this January after a relatively poor performance in the past few years. Letter A. Performing. This is wrong. This is a verb and it means to take action in accordance with the requirements of or fulfill. Letter C and D are also wrong. So again, the answer on 133 is letter B, performance. Now let's go to 134. It is essential that we remain blank of new products being released by our competitors in order to overtake them in market share. A. Current, B. Dated, C. Aware, and D. Timely. The missing word for this sentence is letter C. Aware. This word means having knowledge. It is essential that we remain aware of new products being released by our competitors in order to overtake them in market share. Letter A, current, is wrong. This word means belonging to the present time. Letter B, dated. This word means marked with or displaying a date. Letter D, timely. This word means occurring at a suitable or opportune time or well-timed. Once again, the answer 134 is letter C, aware. Now the last number. The visiting CEO from the United States will give a keynote blank on today's rapidly changing IT industry, followed by a brief question period. A. Address, B. Addressing, C. Addresses, and D. Addressed. Well, the missing word for this sentence is letter A. Address. This is a verb, and this word means to direct a message, warning, or etc. to the attention of someone. The visiting CEO from the United States will give a keynote address on today's rapidly changing IT industry, followed by a brief question period. Again, the answer on 135 is letter A, address. Letter B, wrong, addressing. This is the act of giving a message. Letter C, addresses. Well, this is a noun or a plural form of the word address, right? And letter D, addressed, is a verb. Once again, the answer on 135 is letter A. Well, this is quite challenging, right? And I hope that you got all the right answers. Don't worry, because I have more videos coming up that will surely enhance your reading ability. This is Teacher Jess again, and please remember that the more practice you do, the more you enhance your reading ability as well as your vocabulary. I'll see you next time.